Okay, so for today's deep dive, we're looking at what seems like a really aggressive sales pitch. It's all centered on this bear-shaped glass cup from a site called the Fiorenza Store.
Right.
And our mission here is to use this one product as a kind of shortcut. How fast can you learn to spot the red flags on a high-risk shopping site before you even think about clicking checkout?
Yeah. And the central tension is, it's immediately obvious. It's not really about the cute bear design or the lid.
Mhm.
We're trying to look past that aesthetic hook and figure out, okay, is this cup what they say it is, this 320 milliliter borosilicate glass thing? And more importantly, can you even trust the website?
And the first thing that really jumped out in our sources is just the sheer audacity of the price.
Oh, yeah.
It is classic impulse marketing. They're pushing it as a hot product, low stock, steep savings.
Mm-hmm.
Get this. They claim it was reduced from $95 down to around $36. That's designed to create immediate buyer panic.
It really is. And
Yeah.
that tactic, that massive claimed discount, it does more than just push an impulse buy. It
Mhm.
sort of suggests this could be a drop shipping operation.
Where the actual cost is tiny.
Exactly. The cost of the cup is probably minuscule, but they use that huge fake original price, that psychological shock, to get you to bypass your own critical thinking.
So they hit you with the price, and then they compound that with these technical claims, specifically that the cup is made of borosilicate glass.
Right, to make it sound high quality.
Yeah, high quality, durable,
Hmm.
and the website, it looks clean, the domain is active, but that's really where the slick presentation just stops.
It does. And a professional-looking website is, that's the absolute bare minimum these days. But let's look at that borosilicate claim.
Okay.
Borosilicate glass is, it's the good stuff. It's resistant to heat changes. It's durable. It's what they often use in science labs.
Right.
So if that claim is false, and they've just used cheaper soda lime glass, then you're not only getting a lower quality product, you could even be looking at, potential safety issues.
So, okay, the site looks good, the price is exciting, but the real question is, where's the proof? Because that's where this whole thing falls apart.
Mm.
The source found a complete absence of verifiable data.
Mm-hmm.
We're talking like no information on the manufacturer, no real brand identity, and zero material certifications to back up that glass claim.
And that lack of brand information is one thing, but the real operational risk is something else.
The delivery.
Yes. The biggest red flag the sources point to is the lack of strong, independent, third-party reviews. Reviews that confirm the company actually delivers the product consistently.
Not just that the product is good.
Exactly. The site can generate its own 5-star ratings all day long, but they can't just manufacture an external track record of, happy customers who actually got their stuff.
So, if you're looking at a site like this, what is the final verdict? Our source material labeled the Fiorenza Store as high risk. So not a confirmed scam, but very, very far from a reliable seller.
And if you still feel compelled to buy, you need to be extremely vigilant. We're talking beyond just using a credit card with buyer protection.
Okay, so what else?
Well, specifically, check if the website is deliberately hiding where their warehouse is, or if the return address they list is like a fake location. That's a key sign of a high-risk operation.
Gotcha.
And if you can, use a temporary payment method like a virtual credit card, and just be mentally prepared for the quality to be lower than advertised, or for shipping to take months, not weeks.
So the key takeaway here seems to be that knowledge isn't about what the seller is telling you. It's about what you can't verify.
Right. That missing data is the real price you might pay.
That's the real cost of the savings.
Yeah, and if we connect this back to your everyday browsing habits, you have to ask yourself, how much weight should you really put on those high-pressure claims, limited edition, low stock, when the basic details are completely missing?
The details that confirm who made it, where it came from.
Or even if it's going to show up at your door at all. That discrepancy, that feeling that something's missing, that should always be the moment you just close the tab.